What's up, you guys? It's your girl, it's just Jazz, back with another video. Okay, so in this video today, what I'm gonna be doing is showing you guys how I do a refill on my stiletto nails that I have. I had these on probably for like what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks now. So I'm gonna show you the refill process, me cutting the cuticles, me using JC Beauty Concepts, and everything that I use in this video I will link it in the description box. And no, nothing in this video is not sponsored. I bought everything with my own hard-earned cash money. And I will also be doing another video on me practicing on this hand that I got off Alibaba, you guys, for like 30 bucks. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so what I'm gonna do now is use this cuticle pusher. I already did this hand off camera, so I'm gonna show you guys my other hand. Push the cuticles back like this. Just go gentle. You don't want to go too fast, too hard, because you can really hurt your cuticles and damage them. You don't want that. So you're just pushing them back. This is to help with preventing lifting. And then I'm going to go with my cuticle nippers and I'm going to clip them. But like so, like that. Go all the way around, just pushing them back. And you can see how far back it goes once you have like nail growth, excess nail growth. Just pushing back, push it back, push it back. I also got this cuticle pusher off Amazon. I will link it in the description down below. And with time, you'll get faster. It took me a long time at first. So, don't feel bad. And then just go pushing back. Pushing back. Go around, just keep pushing it back. All right. Okay, so in this next scene, I'm gonna use these cuticle nippers to clip around my cuticles. I got these from Walmart for like, I think, $5. So you want to be very gentle. If you're not an expert with these, I prefer you to use the more safe cuticle nippers. You can get them at Walmart or Sally's. You see, I'm just going around the cuticle area slow. Very slow. And y'all see the cuticle in there? I'll just knock it out. And it fell right there. So yeah, so that's how I look after I cut it off. Still got a little piece hanging right here. Just go back in there and clip that. And it takes me longer with this hand because it's my less dominant hand. So like I was telling you guys, with practice, you'll become more efficient. But I'm still practicing with this, but I'm not giving up. So yeah. So you just go slow. You can see the cuticle lifting up. Y'all see that one? Ooh. Yeah, I've been so busy. My nails look a hot mess. Please disregard. Like, my cuticles, all this dead skin. Baby girl. Ooh, baby, whole new finger wear. Okay, y'all see my cuticle right there? Dang, this is crazy. So I'm just gonna repeat the same thing on all fingers. Remember, take your time and go slow. You don't want to go fast and end up cutting something that's not meant to be cut. So I started off with the safe one. That's the one my mom used. And then I slowly got out of my comfort zone and started using this one. You guys see that lifting? Like, you see the lifting of the cuticle? So just peel it off. Pull it off. Like that. And then drop it. Same thing with this one. Put it over it, put it on, drop it. So yeah, so now what I'm about to do is I'm about to file with my cuticle bit that I have. You can go to Dollar Tree and get these little containers, y'all. I got all my bits in here. I had bought something off Amazon that broke. I just put all of them in here. Make sure I sanitize them too. My gemstones, my rhinestones also in there. And everything. And I'm using this Melody Susie nail drill and my light that I got off Amazon. I will link it in the description. Also, I'm using a mask because I don't have a dust collector yet. Like I told you, I ain't no expert yet, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm using this so I won't breathe in all the stuff from me filing my nails, okay? So let's get into it. So I just turn it on. And as y'all see, I'm just gonna start from over here. And then I'm just gonna file. When you filing, you wanna make sure you keep moving. If you keep it on one spot, trust me, it will burn. And you will see all the dead skin. Like y'all see that? The dead skin, yeah. So I really just try to take care of my my cuticles most definitely. Start, go around, rotate your finger as you go. Go back around. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm doing it on this first hand, and I'm gonna do the other hand off camera because I don't want this video to be too long for you guys. Just clean up the cuticle area. Now I'm on my thumb. Get it, rotate it, go back around. Y'all see all that dead skin? Alright, that's how it looks after I file it with this first bit. I'm gonna use another bit to file it again, but I'm about to dust this off and then I'm gonna come back. So I'm gonna use this little makeup brush that I got from Walmart as well to dust my nails off. So as you see, I'm just dusting them just to get all the stuff off. This is how they look after I dust them off. So yeah, dust them off. Put this other nail drill bit that I got off Amazon. I will link it in the description on. And I'm gonna go over my cuticles again with this one. I have this one going a little faster. I think I got everything already with the other one, you guys. I'm just going back to just make sure that I did, because I don't see anything coming up from this one. With this one, just a little bit. That's it. Just a little bit of stuff. Remember to always keep it moving, because if you don't, it will burn. And you don't want to burn yourself, because it hurts. I burned myself so many times. It also can damage your nail bed too, if you don't know how to use the E-file. So I just suggest going on slower speed and not pressing too hard when you're using it. So yeah, so that's all the filing that I'm gonna do for the cuticles. Now I'm about to file the actual nail, especially the part that's lifting, and get that off of there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start the application. Go to the next nail, do the same thing. If you have to use this finger, however you can. You want to move all the time from the nail. Some of them are not lifting, so that's why you don't see me filing some of the stuff off. I don't see, really none of them are lifting, really. Everything is still intact. So now I'm just really removing the shine from the nail. Keep it moving, because if you stay too long, remember, it will burn. So I washed my hands, you guys, after filing everything, my cuticles, and this is how everything looked prior to me doing the application. So like I was telling you, I'm using JC Beauty Concepts. I'll leave that in the thing. I put it in this little dapping dish. I got this from my local beauty supply store. So I'm gonna use my panel brush. And this is the extra bond, and this is dehydrator. So you put the dehydrator on and then the primer, okay? So I'm just gonna show you how I do that. For one hand, I'm gonna do one hand on camera, one hand off camera. So you just only go on the natural part of your nail. So just around the top to dehydrate it so that the acrylic powder can adhere better. So around the top, like that, on your skin, like so, like that. So next we're using the extra bond primer. That's dry already, as you can see. And I use this a lot just to help me see what I'm doing. Put it on there around the on your natural nail to prevent lifting. That's what the extra bond for. All of the steps is to make sure that the acrylic adhere better. So be careful if you put your thing on there. You don't want it to fall off. So then after that, we're about to go ahead and apply the acrylic application. So I'm using Mia Secret's Cover Nude acrylic powder. I love Mia Secret, by the way. It's affordable too, especially for us beginners. Just put it there. The JC Beauty Concept. I have JC Beauty Concept, but it's not the same color, so I'm not using that one. So I just dip my brush in here and I wave it like back and forth. Do that. Go in. Grab your bead, like a small bead. Do it like that to get some of the monomer off. And then place it on where you're going to be putting it. So I'm just going to place it right here. Push it back towards the cuticle, but not on the cuticle. Like that. And then just pat it down. And this actually dries really fast. So you really have to work fast with this. It dries super, super fast. And be sure to clean your cuticles off, around the cuticle off as you're doing your application, you guys. And I just have it this way so I can see what I'm doing. You also want to look at your nails from different angles. And that's how it looks from the angle. So I'm gonna put it like a bead right here, and then I'm just gonna smooth it out. You see the apex is good for that nail. Okay, y'all, I'm back. My cameraman left, so still trying to prepare the thing for my, what is it, ring light, so that it can hold itself. But this is the first hand. I did the fill in on this one, right? So now I'm working on doing, I did that one already. This one already. See, I gotta do these next, so I'm about to show y'all how to do these. And I did these already. So this is it for the side. Also, when I file it, they're gonna get a little thinner. So yeah, that's those. I'm gonna try to do some designs too. So yeah, let's get into this. Get the bead, put it here, place it. Sometimes I place it like that, then I try to push it back. I'm just trying to move fast, y'all, because this monomer, as you see, look at it running. So you just want to pat, 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 pat. Pat it all down and wipe it off the sides. Pat some more. Dry your brush. Pat some more. Remember, practice makes improvement. I'm not gonna say anything is gonna be perfect. Practice always makes improvement. So it took me a while to get it. So this is this one from the side. I did 2, now I got 3 more to go on this hand. Put something right here for this one, cause this. Also, another tip, when you have a certain shape and you working with it, you want to make sure that the acrylic goes with that shape. So you see, like, I'm going down, patting the acrylic down, and then going back up with it. And I'm wiping off the sides because I want to make sure I keep that almond shape to the nail. That also makes it to where you won't have to file as much. So now I see I have a little dent here. So now I have to go in and repair that dent. Also be mindful, less product is good because you don't want the nail to be too thick. That was my problem when I first started. I was making them too thick. So first I just brush it down. And I go and I brush it back like that. And then back down. Swipe sides, up, down. Once you get good at it, you find a technique that works best for you. So those two are done. You guys can see. And following will correct anything that you do mess up the first time. So yeah, now I'm gonna finish the last three. Okay, you guys, finished this hand already with all of the start over. So I'm done filling in all the nails, you guys. As you can see, I did mess up on the side of this one, but I'm gonna fix it when I file. So I got this file from Beauty Secrets file from Sally Beauty. I got